My name is Vidushi, and I've done my master's from Bharati Vidya Peeth, New Delhi. I'm based out of Delhi itself, and I used to work with my father as a marketing head in my own business. So I was looking for a digital marketing course to upgrade my business and help my father to get into B2C field, since we are a B2B company. And that is why I was scrolling through the internet and I came across Digital Vidya as a platform. I took their free class that they offered. I found it really intriguing. So that is how I joined Digital Vidya. So my journey was really nice. It was very insightful and knowledgeable. My coordinator was Varsha, and she was really helpful throughout. We received emails about the classes and the courses and the objectives. Also, the assignments that we have to submit through our coordinator as well as the instructor, and even on the mails. And Varsha was really helpful, and she cleared all my doubts regarding all the topics. Even the instructors were very nice while they explained everything. And yeah, it was good. So as I mentioned earlier, my father has a B2B manufacturing business. So we were wanting to enter the B2C market. And I had a little knowledge about branding and everything, but I wanted to do it in a professional and a modern way, since my father is working from last 20-25 years and he doesn't have knowledge about this field. So we knew that we had to take it online to make a brand out of our product. So yeah, while doing the course, I was implementing it side by side. Like I created my father's website. I practiced SEO, SEM, even the analytics part. I tried reading the analytics, and it is still helping me and my father in a lot of ways. Yeah, I personally feel that digital marketing is inevitable in today's world because everything is online, be it social media, be it e-commerce platform, be it anything. And if you will have to at a point hire a third party, you'll get it done from outside. For that also, you need a little bit knowledge about what he is doing and he is doing, and without that, you cannot without the basic knowledge you cannot know like how the things operate on an online basis, in an online world.
Right, right, right.